How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be doing a recap of the day trades I've taken this week, or at least the ones that really stand out to me. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First trade I took today, this was on my watch list. I said I'm watching BBBY for a bounce at 25.6 to 25.5. This is the opening 5-minute candle. I had an order setting right under this level, pulled down, filled it, and almost immediately bounced straight up to 30. Honestly, I didn't expect to move that quick, but bounced straight up to 30. I trimmed twice before we got there. I left my runners, and I ended up stopping out my runners when we hit my entry point. Beautiful trade, kind of quick. I did not get to signal my entry over voice inside Team Bull, but a lot of people took it and a lot of people made money. I took another trade on this. We got in down here around this 24 area, had a nice push up. We got caught in the up halt here. It opened, had a little pullback, then we ripped back up to 28. I was all out at 28. Another beautiful trade. I guess it was a win for the memes today. Another trade I took was GME. I had a bounce area down here at this 41.3. Some people caught this trade. I happened to be looking away when it pulled down. I missed my entry here off this bounce. That would have been a perfect entry. Beautiful trade if I'd have caught that level. Anyways, had a nice push up. I took this breakout, had a little early entry on it just because I like the volume. We had some nice strength. I got in, had a nice push up. I did call my entry to this trade on voice. Had a nice push up. We trimmed twice, set our stop loss at our entry point. A nice scalp overall. I would have liked to seen that 45 area, but I cannot complain. Where else can we get that type of return in minutes? Now, let me talk about AMC. I didn't trade AMC today. Some members did trade my bounce area. The reason for my bounce area was simple. We had a nice trend on the hourly, and it happened to be line up with a nice support on the hourly as well. I really like that 24 area for a bounce. So let's go back. So some members took this trade, pulled down, got in here, played the move back up. Nice 50, 60 cents bounce. Contracts moved really nicely. I seen some nice profits in the gain section. Now let's talk about the short. I announced this on voice. I did not take. I said, part of me wants to take AMC short here. It looks good, but I'm done trading. As you can see here, retested that 24, then had a nice push down. Contracts, I would imagine, moved $40, $50 off this one push down. Small account friendly would have been the ideal short. The best entry would probably have been either off this candle here or off this retest here. Both look good. My stop would have been when we had a candle open inside of that. A couple candles on the 1 minute probably. But, that's my top trades for the week. Kind of want to give you my thought process on this AMC here. Had a lot of people reach out to me, ask about it. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me. We got FOMC later today, the minutes. Looking forward to trading that inside Team Bull. I'm sure by the time you watch this video, it probably will already happen. I'm gonna try to record my trade live and post that for you all. I've been promising live trades. I'm gonna try to come through on that promise this week. Fingers crossed. But as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.